Crystal, aka Curly Chris, and your girl's back with another video today. Okay. In today's video, okay, we are doing we're getting ready for some juicy twists, okay? Some juicy twists, or at least I think they're gonna be juicy, okay? My forecast is saying juicy, okay? Alright, as the forecast is saying. I just first want to say thank you guys for all the support y'all have been showing me lately. I'm be honest with y'all. I have been inconsistent with my videos for like, I missed maybe like 2 uploads, something like that, because I have the content, I just don't feel like it's post worthy. Like sometimes I'd be like discouraging myself and being like, nobody gonna watch that, or like, you record that, like something like that again, like that's not good. That's not good content. Don't post that. Don't put that out into the world, because I don't want to put out like just anything. I want to put out good content, and I can see how you guys receive certain things from me, and it's important for an influencer and for a creator, a content creator, to actually care about the reaction that they're getting from their supporters. So I look at all that stuff. I look at which videos y'all really like, which ones y'all don't care for too much, and I try to gauge what I put out based on that, okay? So if I'm inconsistent, or if I don't post one day, usually that's the reason. So just do me a favor and drop your girl some encouragement, okay? Like, drop me some encouragement, just so I know whenever you guys see I missed the upload or something like that. Drop me some encouragement, because that's usually the reason why. So with that being said, you guys are always there to support me, and I do the comment game winner, where like if you support me in the comments, I cash out you some money, and I did that for a very long time on my channel. So I want to just randomly start doing that again. And today's video, I'm going to be doing it, okay? I decided, let me go ahead and show some more love to my family, because y'all have came through for me in these last few months, because y'all know I was not consistent at all, and now I'm back on my grind, okay? So let me go ahead and do that right now. And if you don't know exactly what I'm talking about, if you've been supporting me in my comment section, I see that, I reply to that. Even if I can't reply, I see it. And this is my way of showing appreciation, is by picking someone out of my comments who I see had just been supporting your girl throughout my videos. And my thank you to you is to go ahead and give you a little prize by cash apping you some money, okay? And the person that is going to win right now is Shamir Triel. So Shamir Triel, sis, I see you supporting your girl, okay? Go ahead and drop that cash app in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for that support. I feel you, sis, okay? I feel that energy. I feel that support, okay? I see you. So you guys go ahead and continue commenting, continue supporting your girl, because you never know when I'm going to randomly do one of these again. And because you just support regardless. You feel me? You feel me? Okay. Alright. So now that that has been said, if you are not part of the Curly Chris family, the only way for you to continue to comment is if you know when I post. And when I post, if you here watching the video, okay? So if you are not part of the Curly Chris family, go ahead and smash that button down below for your girl, okay? Smash that button down below, baby girl. Hit that button so I know that you are here, okay? Also turn on them notifications. Cannot stress it enough. Alright, let's go ahead and get right into today's video. So, what I am going to be using. Let me go ahead and unveil this, okay? Because y'all already know sis got a little something cooking up under here, okay? Look at, oh! Cooking, baby, cooking. It looks a little messy. Hold on now. Get myself looking like something now. Alright, that looks a little better. So, what I already have in my head is my leave-in conditioner. I applied it in the shower, and that was the Melanin Hair Care Multi-Use Softening Leave-In Conditioner. You guys know I really do enjoy this one. It's the size of my head, so I love it, okay? I feel like I'm going to get a good one with this mixed with my Adwoa Beauty Curl Defining Cream, the Biomint Curl Defining Cream. I'm feeling good about it, sis, okay? I'm feeling good about it. Alright, I don't know how these results will come out, but I feel like it's going to come out good because I like both of these products. And then after that, I'm either going to follow up with the Melanin Hair Care Oil or the Adwoa Beauty Oil. You guys know I really did enjoy this Adwoa Beauty line when I did review it the first time. I just haven't used it since because it's expensive. That's it. That's the reason. It's high. It is high. So I was just like, this is a special occasion, okay? I can't even use this every video. And I'm not going nowhere special right now or today. I just wanted to wait, okay? Shoot, it need to sit on my shelves a little longer. You know what I'm saying? Before I go ahead and just run through it like that. So, I already applied that leave-in conditioner. And as you guys can see, baby girl, look, the hair has soaked it up. Okay, hair soaked it up. Yes, sir. And now I'm going to go in with the curling cream. And the leave-in conditioner already has a mint smell to it naturally. And this one is bio mint, so it smells like mint as well. So I'm gonna be smelling like a sweet peppermint. So I'm gonna just get like a little handful of this cream, apply it to the section overall, cause y'all know how we do, baby. Gotta make sure it is applied, okay, girl. Listen. Tell them, the Color Chris family, our hair is not dry. Okay? Period. I don't know who else you be watching, but over here, we are not dry, baby. Nothing is dry about us. I'm going to go ahead and put that into a half and get a tad bit more cream just to make sure it is thoroughly applied, okay? Thoroughly. Ooh, y'all feel so good on my hair. Like, I feel like I'm just rubbing luxury onto it. Like, ooh. Oh, baby girl. You are not cold. Oh, and clearly, this video is not sponsored. I purchased all of these in my own money. Support black-owned businesses. That's all I can say. Support. If we aren't going to support, then who will? That's all I'm going to say on that. Alright, and I'm kind of feeling the Adwoa Beauty Oil right now. So I'm going to go ahead and seal with the Adwoa Beauty Oil. It's nice and thick, and I feel like that's perfect, and that's what I need right now. A nice thick oil. Bam. And as we can see, the products mix well perfectly together. Whew. Loving it. So yes, in today's video we are only installing the twists, okay? And the reason for that is because I want to wear my twists for a few days, then I want to take them out. I don't want to just take them out like as soon as I put them in. So I'm going to be wearing them for a few days first. And of course I'm going to my Pattern Beauty brush. Y'all, I feel like I'm getting back to my old ways. I have not done a twist out in so long, I feel. Also, if my hair looks a little shorter to y'all, I did trim it. I just didn't record it because I already have a video on how I trim my hair. I'll link that either right here or leave it in the description box below. But yeah. All done. go ahead and quiz y'all real quick. Let me see just how well y'all be paying attention, okay? How far up from the end of the twist do we curl? When we are finished twisting, how far up from the end of the twist do we curl? Drop it in the comment section below. I want to see if y'all be paying attention to what I be saying. Don't stare at me. Better start typing down below. You thought you was out of school, huh? I know. Y'all see how juicy? Look at that. Look how juicy that is, y'all. Like, yes. That's what we looking for. Whenever you're looking for a juicy combo, it should be juicy before you start twisting as well. It should feel soft, luxurious, all that, y'all. My hair feels so good. So I can tell these gonna be some juicy twists, okay? Are you hearing me, sis? Get close so y'all can see the juiciness. Alright, I'm doing the mega knees right now. Let's see how long I can hold it. Can she do the whole twist with the mega knees? The juiciness, sis. Yes. Make sure you detangling all the way down, sis. Oh, she did it. That girl did it. Yes, sir. That girl did it. Oh, y'all see that juiciness? Huh, hello. Do you see it? Alright, sis, so this whole section is complete. Juicy, okay, juicy. Now I'm gonna go do the rest of my hair off camera and I'll be right back. Sis, it looks so good, okay? Twists are looking very, very juicy, muy juicy. So I'm feeling great about this twist out right now, okay? I am feeling great, sis. I'm gonna let these bad boys dry, wear them for a few days, and in the next video, we're gonna see how the results look. But that is how you get some juicy twists for your twist out, okay? For your popping twist out. And the good thing about getting juicy twists that look good and are like a right size is that you can wear them for a few days as well, okay? Before even taking the twist out. So now you have elongated the length of your style, okay? Because now you can wear the twist, then wear the twist out. So I'm gonna wear these twists for a few days, The key to this also is making sure they are the right size, because twists that are too big, you can't really wear them for an extended period of time, like in different styles and everything. Like you can, but it just don't look right. So I like to do mine like this size because I can put half up, half down, pull them to the back, all that kind of stuff. So yeah, they're not mini twists, but they're like medium sized twists, okay? So let me know what y'all think about these juicy, that was my phone, juicy twists, okay? It's a juicy situation over here, sis. I'm gonna go ahead, let this dry and everything, and y'all make sure to catch me in my next video, okay? And the video coming directly after this one to see just how poppin' this twist out gonna be, because we may just have a new poppin' twist out combo, okay? All right, sis, I'm gonna see you in my next video.